Hello, this is Explore Hong Kong at Lam Kam Road, Lam Kam Road, doing something very local this year to get New Year flowers from Flower Farm. You will be able to see different flower farm along Lam Kam Road, Lam Kam Road. Cash Garden, a very nice name. Very beautiful chrysanthemum. They look like the beak of the bird, of the hummingbird. They are all priced according to the size of the pot, which is 7 inches. We decided to get this one, however, the pot is broken. After the Chinese New Year, we can cook it with sugar. That is good for your throat. So usually for Hong Kong people, we either go to flower market in Hong Kong or the Lunar New Year fair that can be found everywhere in Hong Kong for the Lunar New Year flowers. But due to COVID-19, all are cancelled. And now we are heading to another farm with lots of peach blossoms. You can see a huge one in the middle. Slippery floor, rainy day today in Hong Kong. When you see the red paper, it means that the peach blossom has been sold. So when it is about time, they will chop the peach blossom from the farm. We call it 斬桃花. And then you will see people placing it on top of their car. So this is what people traditionally do, but it is harder to find it in Hong Kong now. This is a very beautiful one. So in Chinese, we said that when flower opens, 花開富貴, it brings in money and also lots of good luck. That's why Hong Kong people like to decorate their home with lots of flowers during the Lunar New Years. And they want them to bloom into the new year. So we want to get this one. Let's see how much first. We are correct. $800. In the flower farm, you can find more varieties. This is long tam quat. This is a twins. And you can also find the huge one. Harder to find it in the flower market. So you usually put one at one side of the entrance. This is my first time seeing the tangerine made into this shape. It is like plants in the future. People who has a big dining room, they will put this at home. That the daffodils is made into different beautiful shapes. And I can't wait to see it bloom. So probably this is very expensive. And this tangerine is even more huge, a very big gut, a very good luck. So again, it is sold already. For this one, still in progress. And some has bloomed already. This is how daffodil flowers are like, 水仙. Very nice petal, darker pink outside. chrysanthemum, a more traditional one, but now less people get chrysanthemum to place at home. So the typical one would be the yellow and purple one, gokfa. Very big flowers. The one in flower market has smaller flowers. So all these, most of them has been sold already. So the dark purple one should be more popular than the light pink because the color is more festive. Which is where we'll be closed during the Lunar New Year. Now, you know what to do before the Lunar New Year. Check out our Instagram for everything about Hong Kong and subscribe to our channel. Explore Hong Kong wishes you 心想事成，身體健康，花開富貴。